Losing your Vizio TV remote or having it stop working can be frustrating, especially when you just want to adjust the volume quickly. It might seem like you're stuck with whatever volume level it's currently on, but the truth is your TV still gives you multiple ways to control it without the remote. Many Vizio TVs include physical buttons, and there are also smart alternatives using your phone or external devices. The tricky part is knowing where to look or which option works best for your situation. Once you understand these simple methods, you'll be able to raise or lower the volume anytime without relying on the original remote. It's all about using the controls that are already available to you in a smarter way. Try these. Step 1. Check the side or back of your Vizio TV for physical buttons. Step 2. Press the volume buttons directly on the TV to adjust sound. Step 3. Download the Vizio mobile app on your smartphone. Step 4. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV and pair it. Step 5. Use the app as a virtual remote to control volume easily. Step 6. If available, use a connected device remote to adjust volume.